Speak English Today Part 23. English conversation on the phone. Real-life phone English. Imagine you get a phone call from someone you don't know. They speak English quickly. You hear, "Hi, is this Alex?" You want to answer, but you don't know what to say next. How do you introduce yourself? How do you ask who is calling? How do you say you're busy? And how do you end the conversation politely? Don't worry. In today's episode, we're going to practice a simple real-life English conversation on the phone. You'll learn useful English for answering calls, asking who is calling, taking messages, making appointments, and ending a phone conversation naturally. So, put on your headphones, listen carefully, repeat after me, and let's begin. Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Speak English Today. This is part 23 of our English learning podcast. Today's topic is English conversation on the phone. Phone conversations can sometimes feel more difficult than face-to-face conversations because you cannot see the other person's face or body language. That's why it's important to know some simple and natural expressions. First, listen to the complete conversation. Then we'll practice the most useful sentences together. Let's start. Real-life phone conversation. Caller. Hello. May I speak to Daniel, please? Daniel. Speaking. Caller. Hi, Daniel. This is James. Daniel. Hi, James. How are you? Caller. I'm doing well, thanks. How about you? Daniel. I'm good, thank you. Caller. Do you have a minute? Daniel. Sure. What's up? Caller. I wanted to talk to you about tomorrow's meeting. Daniel. Sure. What would you like to know? Caller. What time does the meeting start? Daniel. It starts at 10 o'clock. Caller. And where is the meeting? Daniel. It's at the main office. Caller. Okay. Thanks for letting me know. Daniel. You're welcome. When someone else answers. Caller. Hello. May I speak to Sarah, please? Receptionist. I'm sorry. She's not available right now. Caller. Okay. Do you know when she'll be back? Receptionist. She should be back this afternoon. Caller. Could I leave a message? Receptionist. Of course. Caller. Please tell her that Michael called. Receptionist. Sure, I'll let her know. Caller. Thank you very much. Receptionist. You're welcome. When you can't hear clearly. Caller. Hi, can you hear me? Daniel. Sorry, you're breaking up. Caller. Oh, sorry. Can you hear me now? Daniel. Yes, that's better. Caller. Great. Daniel. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Caller. Sure, no problem. Daniel. Thank you. Making an appointment. Caller. I'd like to make an appointment, please. Receptionist. Sure. What day would you prefer? Caller. Would Friday morning be possible? Receptionist. Yes, we have an opening at 11. Caller. That works for me. Receptionist. Great. I'll book you for 11 o'clock on Friday. Caller. Thank you. Receptionist. You're welcome. Ending a phone conversation. Daniel. I think that's everything. Caller. Great. Thanks for your time. Daniel. No problem. Caller. I'll talk to you later. Daniel. Sure. Talk to you soon. Caller. Have a great day. Daniel. You too. Bye. Caller. Bye. Useful phone expressions. Now let's practice some important expressions from today's conversation. 1. May I speak to Daniel, please? 2. Speaking. 3. This is James. 4. Do you have a minute? 5. What's up? 6. She's not available right now. 7. Could I leave a message? 8. I'll let her know. 9. You're breaking up. 10. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? 11. I'd like to make an appointment. 12. Would Friday morning be possible? 13. That works for me. 14. I'll talk to you later. 15. Talk to you soon. Listen and repeat. Now it's your turn. Listen carefully and repeat after me. May I speak to Daniel, please? Your turn. May I speak to Daniel, please? Do you have a minute? Your turn. Do you have a minute? Could I leave a message? Your turn. Could I leave a message? You're breaking up. Your turn. You're breaking up. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? Your turn. Could you speak a little more slowly, please? I'd like to make an appointment. Your turn. I'd like to make an appointment. That works for me. Your turn. That works for me. Talk to you soon. Your turn. Talk to you soon. Excellent. Keep repeating these expressions until they feel natural. Speaking challenge. Now imagine your phone is ringing. You answer. Hello. The caller says, "May I speak to Daniel, please?" You answer. Speaking. The caller asks, "Do you have a minute?" You say, "Sure. What's up?" Now imagine you cannot hear the person clearly. You say, "Sorry, you're breaking up." If they continue speaking too quickly, say, "Could you speak a little more slowly, please?" And when the conversation is finished, "I'll talk to you later." The other person says, "Talk to you soon." You say, "Bye." Perfect. Now you can handle a simple phone conversation in English. Final message. Remember, phone English doesn't have to be complicated. Start with a few simple expressions. Practice them again and again. When you hear a phone call in English, don't panic. Listen carefully. Speak slowly. And if you don't understand something, simply ask the other person to repeat it. You can say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Could you speak a little more slowly, please?" These simple sentences can make phone conversations much easier. Outro. Thank you so much for listening to Speak English Today, Part 23. Today, you practiced English for phone conversations. You learned how to answer a phone call, ask who is calling, take a message, ask someone to speak slowly, make an appointment, end a conversation politely. Listen to this episode again. Repeat the conversations aloud, and try to create your own phone conversations. Listen, repeat, speak, improve. See you in Part 24. Until then, keep practicing English every day.